Hi. If I'm around some people very feel lonely, very feel depressed, very feel anxiety, so don't blame them, don't ignore them, don't tell them what happened, you are mad, what happened, this is not good. Don't do that because that time very important for them because that time emotional support them. Okay, don't emotional blackmail, don't emotionally say that what happened, you are mad, don't do that. Don't do because you know that emotional support is very important to all people. We can't and they can't express that, okay, yes, my feeling is very lonely, my feeling is very depressed, yeah, I feel very lonely, I feel depressed. They can't tell that what's the reason, what's the causes, but they are feeling very lonely, depressed. You stay there, you stay here and there, whatever, and understand what's the situation, understand their feeling. Okay, but and especially support emotion because all people have emotion, but we can't express because people don't understand, people ignore it. Okay, so don't do that. Emotional attachment is very important, we are human. Okay, so don't do that. Emotional support is very important, both of you.